Alright, I don't know if you can notice, but we got the welds on there, and yeah, they don't fit, like, at all. Even with the studs being correct, they're still, you can see it. Eesh. It looks fucking mean, though. I mean, they're fucking wide. It sucks, but, I mean, look at that fucking gap. So right now I got the car in the bay. I gotta pressure wash it because the diff is pretty dirty on this thing. It's really not great. I'll show you. I don't know how well you can see, but it's pretty dirty. It's sprayed with degreaser right now, so it looks wet, but overall it's pretty bad. The rest of the car itself is dirty too, but I'm not really worried about the looks more than I am with the fucking functionality of it, so we'll just get it clean. Also, I want to get the engine bay clean on this thing, so I'm just gonna